Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to gift Nitro on Discord mobile, so let's jump right into it. First we open Discord and then we tap on the three lines on the top left corner right here. From here we tap on the profile picture on the bottom right and then we scroll down until we find Nitro gifting. Here it is, we tap on it and then just tap on the payment. Make the payment and choose who you want to gift this Nitro gifting to. Now this is the first method. You can just go to the person you want to gift from your messages right here. Tap on that person's chat, open it, and then tap on the gift symbol on the bottom right here. Now just go ahead and make the payment and send the gift to him, and that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and see you in the next one.